What are we going to do there? Vacation. Whose house is it? It's si Laila, kala mo hindi kita. Kita naman.
Ay, kita po ako po.
Say bye. See you later.
Barbecue. Dalawa.
Fast para maganda.
Dalawang barbecue.
Meron naman video on.
Dalawa.
There on video.
Even here?
Not ate. How far you can video. Oh, your hands is in the camera.
Chicken sa escabeche. 980. Ikaw, gusto ba? Plain rice yun.
Rose and Grace. Patagdag mo po.
Ate, wait lang. Kaya sinabi ko, wait lang.
Wala na yan. We're in. Louder your voice.
We are
Rose and Grace.
great.
What did you order?
I ordered only
You're hungry na? Okay, we'll eat first. Eat first. We're having bulalo, bopis, what's that? Shrimp and broccoli. Let's eat. Say let's eat.
We're here at my
Mamitas.
friend.
A lot lang. Lot in
And
the
there's a
subdivision
playground.
here in San Pablo.
There's a playground and I went here before. And there's a swimming pool.
Yeah.
Mommy, did
We're
I
gonna
went here
pay.
before? We're gonna
Yeah,
pay.
magbabayad tayo ng anong tawag doon?
Did I went here
Association
before?
dues. Yeah.
I went
Where's Laila? Come on.
I went here before also. Did you win?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember the pool here. I remember the pool. Oh my god.
Careful ah.
There's a dog here.
It's just maybe it's just langaw.
No, it's big.
Oh, look at Ollie.
Mommy, I wanna go there because I'm scared.
Come on. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go here. Go. You're scared. Wait, I will wait for Yaya Lilay. Sit down ka. Yan. Hold.
Sige. Dali.
No, it's just slide like in Tagaytay. Hold. 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 Oh, go. Di ba you're big na? Go.
Sige. Dali. I-hold mo lang.
Go na. Di ba you can slide nga? You try lang. O, go. Hold. You want I hold the other hand? Oh, I hold the other hand. Oh, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Whee! Oh, see?
Oh, it's...
Ouchie. Okay na. Oh, we go there na. You go on the other. Yan. Wala nang bag, ate. Wala na. Kakainin niya yan nila yung iba. Ate, put up your feet. Yan. Exercise. Exercise.
I'm not falling. Where can I go?
Okay, you hold the hand. I will also. Swing, 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 swing.
Hi, Oli. Very good ah.
You hold the hand.
Look here, Oli. Hi, so pretty.
Oh my gosh, ka dyan. Ano nga ito, ate?
Oh, ang init na. Go down na, go down. Stop na, stop.
Guys, we're in San Pablo now.
We're in Mamita's house. In?
In San Pablo.
Yeah. Yeah, we will clean first because it's dirty pa. Okay, Olipot. Ay, kabayo. Dapat mag-good morning pala. Good morning. Charot.
Good morning, vlog.
Hindi tayo nakapag-vlog kagabi. Kahapon pala. Kasi maraming linisin. Maraming linisin sa bahay ni Mamita.
And for today's video,
Bibili tayo ng Mami bat and balls and flying saucer. Tuturo namin sa inyo saan kami bumibili dito sa San Pablo. Yan. Ay! Ayan ang mamihan. Bibili na si Daddy ng Mami flying saucer. Daming tao, hindi na ako bumaba. Milk for breakfast because late kayo nagising. What are you eating? We have Mami. Bat and balls. Mami. And flying saucer.
ano ibig sabihin?
Bye.
May post na si si Rina. Ano nga? Happy anniversary lang.
Hindi.
Pero lumang ano
Ang
yun?
kasama ikanta eh. Kanta ang mga kasama nila.
Lumang ano yan? Lumang picture yan.
Pinagsusuggest sa bibig.
33 yan.
Hindi na ako tinilis na.
We're in Liliw. Yeah. Eat. We're gonna eat. Nice. Ay, hindi maliit. Medyo malaki, be. Yung susunod. Where are we, ate? Isuot mo maigi yung sapatos mo. Ay, yung sleeve. Yan. O, yan. Okay yan. Sikip? Kasi you have socks. Look at Ate Angel. Oo, oo. We're in Badong's footwear. Ate Angels is using her shoes. Okay.
Meron yung prito yan eh. Saka na muna. Sumuntik man?
Okay lang. Tikman mo.
Doon. Huwag ka muna mag... Wait lang. Ang dami ko lang hawak. Saan siya galing?
Ayun, niluluto na yung ganyan.
Saan siya galing?
Harap. Yung luto na yung bilhin mo para hindi na tayo magluluto. Magkano ate yung ano? 150 na lang. O yung 100. Oo nga, I'll go. As a vlogger. Para makita. Ate, say hi. It's raining.
That's why we're not able.
We bought this one. Problem.
Nangiipit din to. Ano?
Hi, you're Aunt Annabella.
We're gonna eat early dinner.
Tatawa kasi sa iyo.
Tignan natin yung menu. Ang menu.
Si Angel daw kayo.
Alam mo, laro, ha? Biglang lumakas na yung lakad natin.
Nandito niya. Payo natin.
Diba? I-post na lang.
Hindi naman kayo may sa kasi, di ba? Hindi ko na yung bawat, di ba?
Dami menu.
Di ba? Ito dating lang na.
Opo.
Hi. Hi everyone.
Where are we? In Liliw? Liliw, Laguna.
Make sure to check out our local media.
Say bye. Anong church to? Nag-Carlan Church?
St. John the Baptist Church.